Welcome back to A Great Cooker. I'm Serfronya. You're in the kitchen with me this morning as I prepare to make some oatmeal in the Instant Pot. This comes together really easily, and once you have everything in the pot, you can just walk away. So what I'm doing right now is I've changed out my rings. I use colored rings for sweet items or foods that I don't want to taste savory. So make sure you have your ring in the Instant Pot. You're going to need 4 cups of water. Two cups of apple juice. Now I'm making enough to feed 4 people, and they could probably have extras. You could half this recipe if your family is smaller. We are a family of 6, and this is for my 4 kids. This is actually, I don't know if you can see, but this is actually a 2-cup measuring cup. You also could use a non-dairy milk instead of juice. I keep my oats in here. These are old-fashioned oats, and you need 2 cups of old-fashioned oats. Another 2-cup measuring cup. Now, of course, this is optional, but my family likes their oatmeal sweet. So I'm going to put in a 1/4 cup, approximately, of packed brown sugar. Also optional, cinnamon. I'm adding cinnamon to taste. And then stir everything. I don't have any right now, but if I have apples in the house, a few apples, then I will skin and chop those and add those in here as well. As long as I chop them small, they cook just fine. Once everything is well incorporated, get your top on. If you have an Instant Pot where you need to set it to sealing, do that. This one does it automatically. This is the Duo Crisp plus air fryer. Then what you want, regardless of what Instant Pot you have, if you might have one that says manual, then you'll choose manual and high pressure, or mine says pressure cook. And when I press that, it's already set to high. And believe it or not, you only need 3 minutes under pressure for this oatmeal to come together. And on this one, I need to remember to press start. I'm about to naturally release this. I usually let it naturally release for about 20 minutes. I wanted to point out, can you see the pin is raised there? On this Instant Pot, it always comes to pressure when I make my oatmeal, but I did want to point out that with my older Instant Pot, the Duo 80, it is hit or miss. Sometimes it comes to pressure for oatmeal and sometimes it doesn't. And no matter what I've tried, it's just never been constant. So, oh, look at that. While we were talking, the pin dropped on its own after 20 minutes. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. All right, let's stir it and watch it come together. Can you see that? It thickened up pretty nicely, but it depends on how you like your oatmeal. If you let this rest, if you let this set up for a few minutes, it'll get even thicker. Let me put it in a bowl and show you. All right, actually, I went off to do a couple things. So this oatmeal has been setting up for a bit longer. Look at that. Look at how that thickened up. Let me show you. Make sure to subscribe for A Great Cooker. I have lots of very easy Instant Pot recipes, as well as how to cook in the air fryer and other small appliances. I'll see you in the next video.